Gracie, welcome to Lockdown Lunches. Today we're making Courgette Pizza. First we'll need our ingredients. We will need courgette, pizza sauce, cheese and our toppings. I'm using tomatoes, spring onions and olives. First we will need to make sure our oven is preheated to 900. Then we'll need to scoop out the seeds from my courgette. Now when the seeds are out, we'll need to put this in the oven. This will take 5 to 10 minutes to cook. I've just done the 10 minutes in the grill, so they're ready to go out. Now I need to spread in our pizza sauce. Now it's time for the cheese. Now for the toppings. Now we'll need to put them back under the grill for a couple of minutes. They've had a couple of minutes, the cheese is melted and they're ready to come out. Here is the lockdown lunch. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like, subscribe and see you next time for more lockdown lunches.